This handle that I told you guys about, it won't open the door. So every time you pull on it, nothing's there. So while we'll take the door panel out or off, we're gonna take a look-see, see what's going on with the handle. Okay, let's get right to it. Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're gonna focus on replacing the door handle on the driver's side door. Remember that one that was busted up? And then I have the new door stopper, and also I want to finish up on programming the passenger side window that keeps going up and down. So let's get right into the video. Here's a little glimpse of our wrapping process that is taking place. Video will be out shortly. This is what we have going on. Bam. Okay, that was fairly easy to remove. One bolt here, 10 millimeter. First I had to remove this little bolt cover right here. Then I used this pry tool that came with the kit, the switch kit. Pop this whole thing out. Removed 3 bolts. One from the handle over here after removing a plastic piece, and then 2 behind the switch control. Now let's go from the bottom. Boom, that's that right there. There you go, things falling out. So obviously it's been removed before. And then let's, oh bam. Boom. That's how easy that was. Super easy. So let's take both of them out. Okay, so I removed one bolt right here, which fell into the door, unfortunately. Let me go ahead and I guess I have to remove this part right here because I have a convertible. Yeah, this door handle was hella difficult to get out because of the lock, but I do see what was happening here. There's this blue piece right there inside there. I'm gonna grab some light. So basically it's not lowering all the way. This door handle is falling apart. Look at this thing. Look at that. That's all cracked. Obviously this has a big play here. This is what pushes down the knob on the inside, or the lock system, to make the door. See the placement, the blue little pin right there? So it goes right in there, and this is supposed to push it down, but this is not stabled because of this broken opening here. So we'll order a new handle. This is broken too right here. Somebody's been messing with this door, not once, not twice, but quite a bit. And also, it won't stay open. I'll probably have to replace that right there. Okay, this is what I have received from Amazon. This is the new door stopper we'll be replacing on the driver's side. Hopefully it fits. Here it is right here, nicely greased up. Okay. Next, let's take a look at our door handle. Also purchased it on Amazon. This is the passenger side. I'm not gonna mess with that one yet because we need to wrap the passenger side door. However, this is our new driver's side door handle. We'll take a closer look at the old one and this one to get a better idea. 2 door handles side by side. You can see that this completely is deteriorated. This little bracket here, that one's all good. This piece right here, look at this, just comes apart. The housing for it is broken and busted, so I'm assuming that was the issue with the door. We're gonna go ahead and replace this mechanism into that door and get it installed in this beautiful thing over here. Look at this thing. Once again, comment below what you guys think about my wrap. This process is coming along really well, and I love the color. All right, so let's take off this. Very easy to replace, like that. Installing it the same way, very easy. Boom. The door is ready to, the handle is ready to install. Hopefully it's gonna fix the issue. installed. Okay, let's see if it's gonna fix the issue. You guys ready? Perfect. Look at this. Look. Not a problem, man. Finally got that resolved. The sticking door handle issue is fixed. Yes, finally. High five to everyone who's watching. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, now I just need to change the door stopper and we'll be good to go. And there's the door stopper. Let's see what it has here. It has 1, 2, 3. Okay, I gotta take the speaker out. 1, 2, 3, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. All right, let's see how this is gonna work. Why am I replacing the door stopper? Watch this. I open the door, closes by itself. You leave it right here, closes by itself. Anywhere you leave it. Here should be stuck completely, but look at this. So we need to replace that. Let's get it done real quick and get it out of the way and put this door all together. Let's rock and roll. And 2. Boom. Just like that. It's the one we purchased. Make sure we got it exactly the same way. Okay, which way is it going? Looks like it's going to be going this way. Tightened. Tightened. Bam. Speaker back. Now to test it. Okay, let's see how it's gonna. Hold on. All right, look. That's perfect. Right there. That's perfect. This is how it should be. So you got 1 and another stopper here. And then even here, look at that. Man, I love this. It feels so good when everything's operating. Look at that. Perfect. Now I can put the door panel back on and this door is officially fixed. Okay, let's try this again. We've got the window all the way up. Now we're gonna hold the switch, holding it and going all the way down. Release. Now let's see what it does. Up. Should go down a little bit. Yep, it did. Oh crap. Let's see if it worked. All the way down and all the way up. It worked. That is awesome. It's fixed. That's how you reset the window regulator or the window motor. Look at this. Perfect. So, bingo. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next how-to video. Peace.